Hey guys, this is Toy Tiny, and today we have
Squish-Dee-Lish.
If you haven't seen these yet, Squish-Dee-Lish are these squishy blind bags. Squishy blind bags. Is that so exciting?
Yeah, those are the two things I like. Yeah.
And not only do we have the regular Squish-Dee-Lish blind bags today, we have Shopkins Squish-Dee-Lish. Which one do you want to get?
I really want to get some nice Shopkins ones.
You like the Shopkins ones?
I like the cat cupcake.
The cat cupcake's pretty cool. Yeah, all the regular ones are like different kind of animals that look really neat. Should we get this started?
Yeah.
So I'm going to start with the regular Squish-Dee-Lish, and I have to say I love this packaging. Like there's a bird ice cream, a turtle burger, there's the cat cupcake you talked about. These are so, oh look, there's a bunny cinnamon bun.
I love cinnamon buns and I love bunnies. Yeah.
These are so cute. Okay, let's open. So our first one is a little bear.
It's a great bear. Yeah.
Is it a grape bear? It's very cute.
Nice and cute.
Very cute and squishy.
Yeah.
So now we're going to open up the Shopkins Squish-Dee-Lish. And on the back of this package, there's actually some pictures of ones you can get, like a watermelon, a pie, butter, corn on the cob, strawberry macaroon, sushi. Which one is your favorite, you guys?
The pancake. Yeah.
The pancakes looks pretty cool. This is pretty cool too. I don't know what that is. Can you open that up for us?
Ooh, we got this one.
Oh, it's a cake.
It's a rainbow. Yeah, there's a rainbow.
Oh, look. I was looking for the face. There's the face. Oh, and there's the licensing. It's a little rainbow cake.
So cute.
Very cute and squishy.
Yeah.
And now we're going to try another regular Squish-Dee-Lish.
It's a panda donut.
Is it donut or pancakes?
I think it's pancakes, actually.
How does it feel?
Feels so squishy.
That is so adorable. Can I see? It's like lying on a bunch of like berry syrup or something.
So cute.
Yummy! What are you going to open now?
A regular.
Regular one? Okay, go for it.
Wow, it's a bunny.
Oh my goodness, it looks like a bunny
Cinnamon roll.
cinnamon bun. Oh, look at the little heart.
Oh, so cute.
And it's got like such pretty eyes.
Yeah.
Is this making you hungry? This is making me hungry. What are you opening up now?
Now I'm going to open a Shopkins one.
Okay. Hope we get the sushi
Yeah.
or a banana. They're all so cute. Oh, is that the one you wanted? It's like pink pancakes.
Yeah.
Can you show the face?
So squishy.
So we got like the panda pancake, and then we got the Shopkins pancake. They're all fluorescent pink. I love it.
Yeah. Squishy, squishy.
We got 4 more left. This is another Shopkins one. Oh,
Oh, I like the one I wanted.
Oh, I think it's actually like a cup of coffee or like
Ooh.
a little cappuccino.
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Yeah. We see. Just this.
So we just noticed that a lot of the ones we got are different colors from the ones in this picture, so there must be different variations, which is really exciting. I'm surprised how cute these are. Like I was expecting them
It's
to
an
be cute.
ice cream
Oh.
bird.
Oh, I love that one. Give it a squish.
Wish.
Oh, that one is so precious. I love the colors on these too.
Yeah.
They're so bright and colorful.
Yeah.
2 more left.
Ooh, it's a little donut.
Oh, give it a squeeze. Oh, that one's so pretty. It's a little cow donut.
So cute.
I love it. So I only have one left, so I just wanted to show the checklist again. And I feel like the last one is kind of like square shapes. I wonder if it's a butter, but there's so many cute ones that I don't know. What do you guys want to get?
I want to get the watermelon. I like the sushi.
The sushi. Oh, those are super cute. Okay, let's see what we get. Okay, last one.
It's another cake in a different color.
Ooh, pretty.
So pretty. Squish.
Yeah, this one's yellow. And the other one we got was white. They're friends. So out of the Shopkins ones, which ones did you like the best?
I like the pancake.
I think I really like the latte or the coffee there.
I think I like the bunny.
No, out of the Shopkins ones.
I like the coffee too.
Yeah. So I guess out of all these, you like the bunny the best?
Yeah. Yeah.
Which one's the squishiest?
I see the donut.
Which one felt the squishiest?
I think this panda one.
Yeah. These are really cute, you guys. Thanks again to Jakks for sending us these lovely Squish-Dee-Lish. I hope that you can find them too, because they're just so fun.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.